Hello viewers, welcome back by this channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to custom data set will be trained RT and DETR means real time detection transformer. Okay, it will be easy for you guys. We will create one notebook file. It's will be customized data set will be involved, and you can see we are going to step by step. Also, we add the uh, in local system means in your laptop will be detect easily. So how we will do it, we will going to step by step, so you can make one copy for you and you will see this video, whole video, and we will improve every day in our booklet site, means notebooks. So let's start how to work. And our topic is real time detection object, so RT-DETR. And detection transform very old model, in last 10 months, previous last 10 months will be released. So we will exploring one video, but we will second video will in depth. So we our target, we will releasing new models, customized data set will be uh, with the training part, just like Sahi, and a lot of models, not the YOLO V11. We will train multiple models. Okay, so let's start from sketch. First of all, you can see my screen. Okay, so you can see first of all here Pyresearch channel and object detection method RT-DR on webcam. This is the video 1 year ago we will release, but in this video we are going to how to train our custom data set. So it's easy for you guys. Go to the Pyresearch, uh, and I'm going to back and notebooks. Open the notebook file. Okay, so also you can see we are open the notebook file, and in last side RT DERTR object detection. Open the Google Colab file. So in front of you, I am open successfully the Google Colab file, and here you can see I am open the runtime and change the runtime. Our runtime is the T4 GPU. After you can see select the runtime GPU, you just initialize your drivers. Okay, first step. Second step is to make easier dataset manage into home path, content, etc. It's your call to manage the dataset home path. Now installation dependency, and we need to obviously one library is the transform, second one is the RoboFlow here, and third was here in front of you PyTorch selected. So it's taking time. After you can see we import the all libraries. Okay, now in installation dependency preparation is almost done. Already here this platform will be already dependency will be created, but we face a challenge some in our laptop side, but not worry, we can do it. First we learn to train dataset. In front of you, after successfully install the dependency, we import the libraries. In front of you, we import the library successfully. Now interface with the pre-trained model. Our model targeted is the here RT-DER. This is the officially website will be also, you can see the GitHub site. I am copy. Okay. And paste here in Google. So you can see, go to the first report of that here RT-DR. So also you can see the real time with the YOLO's detection and installation instruction and models. So here our fine tune model means the custom data set will be related the need data. So you need the API key. How you get the API key from the RoboFlow? You go to the RoboFlow and sign in. Within second we will sign in and get the private key. And let me show you how to get this API key. Okay. So after you just click this icon, run the shell, and you get the within second dataset. Here, get start. So you viewers, you can see the screen. My here I am already signed in RoboFlow account, but you go to click the roboflow.com, and it's easy for the any access the dataset, and we are creating multiple like 1.15 lakhs dot models will be get from here. It's up to you which one do you use. You can see the security key and give the access, and I am copy here and paste here. Okay. After copy and paste here and minimize the algorithm, just run this one, and within second our dataset will be download. Okay, it's not connected, almost connected my dataset, and as soon as loading the dataset and here releasing all dataset files, three files, test, and if you want to see the which type of here need dataset, it's easy for you guys, and I here copy and paste here. Okay, and you can see the card booker and download dataset. Okay, after you can see here this one link, detect on 2. Let me show you. It's not available, it's fine, no problem. You just copy and paste into your file. Okay, it's same. Okay, we need to Coco format like this one, but in my case I have already, but in involve the Google sorry like RoboFlow API key. After you can see we need to start the training points, 3 folders from the Pooker, test, train, and valid. After you can see the display the dataset, how much dataset will be display, at least 5. Uh, Title of the dataset will be showing to you. Okay, so you can see this. It's very fine for me. 5 diamond. Already means all dataset pictures will be show in front of you. Now you can see prepare the dataset automatically will be labeled before the passing the image processing. Apply to prepare transform dataset. Visualize some argument images. Okay, so now the process export the annotation following image int annotation list, which is directly in Coco object model. You can see this type of program. Now you combine the images annotation transform, and here you can see the pixel, and all our data types will be showing to you. You now have successfully prepared the their annotation files. Now prepare the fine tuning APM connected, and now turning the dataset model, which accelerated the how much in front of you will be showing to you. Here 20 nipos, I will reduce it 10. It's fine for us, and running point. Okay, one more point. Do not remove the column of the uh, already all points will be mentioned, which is the removed, which is not removed. Now training part is going on, and we will set the hypothesis 10. Tokenize is declared and remove from 5.5 something. It will be mentioned, but in front of you we need one API key. Just click this authentication icon and make one account in him. So I'm already signed in with our Gmail ID Pyresearch.0, and copy and paste here API key. So it's easy for us for fine tune model will be showing here, and all points will be mentioned. So we get one folder, two folders from our dataset. Guys, in front of you, our training part is complete. Now, uh, collect the prediction part in front of you, and how much will be our uh, NAP will be evolved. In front of you, confusion matrix, and you can see the all card names, and here saving the model path is 1 RT-DETR. In front of you can see this one. Okay, so now interface the fine-tuned model. Will we predict is working fine or not? Yes, it's working fine, and file sample will be showing to us. Okay, so let's start in the laptop side. In front of you, you can see this one. Okay, you download all files in same folder name, and I am going to my here desktop and RT-DETR folder. In front of you, I am making open the one script app.py testing, and here this one. Okay, and close it. Okay, and now I am open the one by one in front of you. Your testing. Okay, main script is test. You will test in your computer. It's easy. Install the transform this library, PyTorch library, and the supervision. And when you download all files from here, this folder, and make one folder, I am open one making the one folder output, and here this one you can see it's same file names. I am already download all files and put here. Okay, so let me show you. It will be detect one image perfectly. So and put here the demo6 file. Okay, so I am open my terminal. I am already installed all dependency, but in front of you I am showing to you to install what you need. You need from this script, this one library. Okay, and here this one library, add Pyresearch. Here Pyresearch library. Okay, here spelling mistake, and you can see I am already installed all dependency, and Python version also check. Python 3.12 is latest version, and now need to run it. Python testing.py file. If you CPU user, GPU user, it's automatically see the here Jack of the club. So if you want to test one more image, let me show you image number 5, and I am change the image. Okay, so if you want to change the code and detect the all categories of objects, you can do it, but in front of you we will custom models will be trained first, and then will be detect in our laptop. It's our simple code side will be happen 5 club and 9 hat. Okay, so and this 2 files. Okay, so this is our use case which we teach guide you training the RT-DETR means real-time detection transformer custom data set, how we involve the custom data set model, get from the RoboFlow and input in our Google Colab file and put into our local system. Download from here. Okay, you can download all files in your here laptop, like this one by one. This two main files is around 350 and 160 MB. Let me show you 163 MB, and this one is taking time. It's depend on the internet. So you put into your folder, okay, this type of folder, and see the script. Yeah, testing. I am talking about one script. You all codes get from here. Okay, so I am making also one report. Here you can see RDT in your hand, object detection, testing file, a file, test file. Okay, so a file is a training point of view, and in front of you I am uploading this file. Okay, uploading one file. So if you want to get all codes, go get from here. And if you want to Google Colab file, you get from the our notebook site. Okay, so we are exploring multiple objects. All objects videos is available in our channel. If you want to see our channel, it's Pyresearch, and comment us if you want to more changing, if you want to see the overview, and if you want to more ideas will be get from here, so we will make it. And as soon as possible we launch our camera. And see you in next video. Keep connect with us and subscribe our channel for more getting information updates.